is the purpose for dreaming at night? Can someone please tell
Hey guys, today we have a new jailbreak setup video, and the first tweak we have is HotDog, which enables you to minimize the time and the date on the lock screen, and on the passcode screen, it gives you a minimalistic look and removes some buttons. Also on the lock screen, we have SleekCode, which enables you to remove the blurring around the numbers. The next tweak we have is called Priority Hub, and it enables you to show and unshow the notifications that you have, such as this one. Next thing we have is called Grabber App 8, and as you can see here, I have a little Spotify icon. If I swipe up on it and then type in my password, it goes to the Spotify app just as I want it to. Now we're on our home screen, and first we have our theme, which we downloaded through Anemone, and the theme is called glyphs, but you need a separate source for that, so the link will be in the description. Next we have our Auxo wallpaper, and the link for that will also be in the description. Next we have Boxy 2, which enables me to change the layout of the app so it becomes smaller. Next we have Springtomize 3, which I use to remove the dock so that it's a cleaner setup. And lastly we have Badgomizer, which made the badges have clear background so that it matches with the theme. Another tweak we have is called Spotlightbegone, which removes the useless spotlight that you never use anyways. Next we have iWidgets and free iWidgets app to get this and these widgets. And the iWidgets is the platform, and the free iWidgets app gives you the theme for the iWidgets. This one is called LP2 and this one is called Chill. Next we have the Control Center. The first tweak we have for the Control Center is called Auxo Legacy Edition, and it makes the Control Center smaller so that it doesn't take up as much of the screen. Next we have CCSettings, which allows you to move around the things in the Control Center, and it allows for multiple pages in the Control Center. Lastly we have CClean, which removes the circles around the things in the Control Center so that it looks cleaner. Next we have the status bar, and the first tweak we have for the status bar is called Moveable 9. It allows you to move around things in the status bar, and we move the time to the left and the battery symbol to the right of the battery. Next we have Lithium, which allows for different customizations of the battery symbol, and the theme we have is called Android KitKat Battery, which looks like that. Last thing we have for the status bar is another theme from Anemone, and it's called Android KitKat Signal, and it changes how the signal bar looks in the status bar. Alright, next we have some other miscellaneous tweaks that are pretty useful. So first we have Nudekeys, and Nudekeys, which allows for the gradient keyboard, and it removes the buttons around the keyboard, allowing for a really nice look, and you can choose any two colors to do a gradient between. Next we have Resero 9, and in Resero 9, basically the notifications show up as smaller so they don't cover the whole top of the screen, just like this. And the last tweak I have here is called Callbar, and it is very useful for when you get a call because it only covers part of the top screen instead of covering the whole screen, and you can still do any regular thing you would from a regular call, such as decline it or answer it. Okay, so that was the jailbreak setup video. Thanks for watching, and if you liked it, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks.